first of all, what is a polynomial? Well, polynomial comes from poly meaning many and nomial meaning terms. So essentially it just means many terms. We are actually going to take an example here. This is an example of a polynomial. This is a term, this is a term, this is a term. Common terminology. Some of the things we're going to be talking about today are natural numbers. We've already covered this in class. We're also going to be talking about integers. We're going to be talking about constants. We're going to be talking about terms, which we just talked about just a second ago. We talked about exponents this morning, about square roots and radical and how you have to square stuff. We'll all be familiar with that term. We're going to be talking about coefficients. And a new one, which you may not be familiar with, is we're going to be talking about factorials today. The first one you'll already be familiar with is called the FOIL method. Now, FOIL is actually an acronym, and it stands for first, inner, outer, last. And it's very easy to do. What you do is you take the first xy pair, and you multiply x times x and x times y. And then you'll take the second xy pair, and you'll take the second y and y times x and y times y. Then what you'll do is you'll combine both of those, and you'll come up with your like terms, and you'll get your result, which will be x squared plus 2xy plus y squared.